Last week, we launched the Tracelight platform. Today, I'll show you how to use it to run a full financial due diligence project from start to finish. Imagine you've just received a kickoff email from a client. It includes trial balance data for a target and a list of requests. First, you use a pre-built FDD Databook workflow inside Tracelight to map the accounts from the trial balance and generate the initial Databook structure. That workflow creates multiple tabs in your firm format and supporting schedules automatically. So instead of building those manually, you can move straight into reviewing the output and focusing on the areas that matter most. Next, if management sends an updated trial balance, you upload the new file, in this case from Teams, and run the same workflow again. Tracelight recreates the Databook and can also show you the bridge between the original and the adjusted data in a Spreadsheet App, including items like the EBITDA bridge. You can adjust any of the assumptions in this app and watch the numbers change dynamically, and you can click any number and source it back to the Excel where it came from. With these updated trial balances, you can now run your full FDD analysis, again here using a skill. You can view the outputs again here within the Tracelight platform, or you can download them and work directly in Excel, now with the Tracelight add-in to Excel. So let's do a model review on this work and find and fix any final issues before we share this work with the client. You can now use another pre-built workflow to generate a tailored list of questions for the target based on the analysis. Finally, you can create your PowerPoint output in a deck formatted to your standards, again using a skill, work in PowerPoint with the Tracelight add-in if you want to, and then package all of the outputs into a client email and a Teams message to your colleague confirming everything is complete.